khulei shibun ibro ki Kyrteng Jong ki candidate ki bayo banlik pre-doctor hapo Neigrihms Lyngba kata not is open category kebadan kumba khat prasid ai nam ta tang kinong not is sudah te ki bayo kilong kena based on the merit in the NEET UG 2024 ki bayo kilong Anirbal napo Tripura Afrina napo Assam Wahida napo Meghalaya Subhajit napo Tripura Wahidur napo Assam Achyut Assam Sattaparna Tripura Jyotishka Assam Sayantan Tripura Rajul Karim Khan Assam Sohat Paul Meghalaya Ankit Chaudhry Tripura Farhan Rashid Assam Anubhav Pal Tripura Mritika De Tripura Ritu Parna Goswami Tripura Pritam Devnath Tripura Soradev Devnath Tripura Kibun Kibayo Kedai Napo Tripura. The provisionally selected candidate required to follow procedure as instructed on the day of the counseling. Submit all the original documents as per the prospectus, order admission related formalities like executing the bonds agreement and conducting the medical examination and payment of admission fees of rupees 47,600 on or before 5th September. And non-reporting on or before the date will result in cancellation of the provisional allotted and the seat will be forfeit with no further communication and the same will be filled up in the second counseling. Terada kineboro ki pendap ki siwi ka pisa ki pendap ibro ki jing pendan kam nam tagane tek mut ba kalakur kasit lada ki don ki bom pendap ki bom siw ki bom biang ki ibro ki badan kam banle tek asami berdasarkan second counseling. Tangane ki jum tip khulei shibun.